High-speed doors are ideal for larger openings between different environments by ensuring that they're open for the minimum length of time possible. And the SI-163 roll-fast door is a highly efficient, high-speed door for internal applications. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. This highly efficient unit is made in Australia using top-quality materials and state-of-the-art production techniques. And with an operating speed of 1500 millimetres per second, it's both fast and quiet, allowing for virtually non-stop operation. The key to its speed and efficiency is its variable speed drive, which provides soft start opening and soft stop closing that also reduces wear and tear. Each door has a clear PVC centre section that runs the full width of the door to give a clear field of view. Further safety features include a photoelectric cell within the doorposts and a self-guarding safety edge system. Find out more from MTI Qualos on 1300 135 539 or visit mtiqualos.com.au. I'm Tim Webster. Thanks for watching.